Is your washing machine doing the cha-cha across your floor? That violent shaking isn't just annoying, it's a red flag that can cause serious floor damage and lead to expensive repairs. Did you know that 80 of appliance vibration problems are caused by simple issues like unbalanced loads or poor leveling? For new appliances, leftover shipping bolts are a major cause of shaking. Don't let a vibrating appliance damage your Abbotsford home. We have the professional solutions that stop the shaking for good. Want to learn more? Read our full blog post linked in the description. For expert appliance repair in Abbotsford, call Abbotsford Appliance Repair Pros today.